Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, we are back on to the online classes now. Now we will continue our work through online classes, okay? Students, this is your English period. Take out your English books and copies also. In the last class, I have given you some word sentences for the homework. I hope all you have done that. Today, what we are going to do, going to do the work of the poem Brother and Sister. Take out the book, page number 81. Take out the page number 81 of your textbook. As you can see on the screen, page number 81, we will do exercise number C, verbs. First, first I will give the explanation of this, then we will do it in the copies. Okay, students? What we have to do? Then answer the verbs. First of all, I will tell you about the verbs. What are verbs? I have told you before also. Verbs are the action words like sleeping, eating, going, running, walking. The action we are doing, they are verbs. Okay. Now, what we have to do in this exercise, we have to just answer the following questions. Some questions are given below. Okay. What we have to do, we have to read the questions. Then we have to answer in the following pattern. The pattern is given to you that it is used for dash verb plus ing. यानी जो वर्ब हम यूज करेंगे, जो वर्ब इसमें यूज करेंगे कि ये किस चीज के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, उसके साथ हम ing ऐड कर लेंगे. What we will do, we will add ing with the verb. Okay. Now, what was the first one? The first one is what is the mast of a ship used for? What is the mast of a ship used for? You know what is the mast? Mast is a pole which is on the deck of the ship. यानी जो ship के उसके ऊपर आपने देखे होंगे बहुत लंबे लंबे खंभों की तरह पोल्स बने हुए होते हैं. उस पर कपड़ा होता है जो हवा से आगे पीछे हो रहा होता है. तो वो क्या यूज किस चीज के लिए यूज होता है? वो शिप्स के सेल करने के लिए यूज होता है. मीन सेल यानी उसको चलाने के लिए. यानी इसके चलने की वजह से वो आगे पीछे जो हवा है उससे वो करती है, उसको पुश करता जाता है और इस तरह शिप मूव हो जाती है. ओके. Now what we will say, the mast of a ship is used for sailing the ship. Okay. Now coming to the B, what is the castle used for? Castle is used for. किस चीज के लिए कैसल यूज होता है? इसकी पिक्चर भी दी गई है, देखिए. दिस इज द कैसल. महल को कहते हैं कैसल. बहुत बड़े महल को देखिए, ये महल बना हुआ है, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? कैसल. What is a castle used for? A castle is used for living. रहने के लिए यूज होता है. ठीक है. Now see, what is a fishing boat used for? फिशिंग बोट किस चीज के लिए यूज होती है, आपको पता है? फिशिंग बोट क्या करते हैं हम, किस चीज के लिए यूज करते हैं? फिशिंग बोट is used for fishing, or you can also use fishing boat is used for catching fish. Both sentences can be used. Okay. Now on the D, what is hammer used for? What is a hammer used for? You know what does mean by hammer? Hammer किसको कहते हैं? Hammer हथौड़ी को कहते हैं. ठीक है. What is used for? A hammer is used for hammering nails in a wood. यानी लकड़ी में या हम किसी चीज में कीलों को लगाने के लिए या नेल्स को लगाने के लिए यूज करते हैं हैमर. So that's why we can say it a hammer is used for hammering nails in a wood. Get it? Now moving to the on the last E. What is a knife used for? A knife is used. Knife. What does mean by knife? We use knife for cutting different things, vegetable, fruits, everything. It is used in kitchen. A knife is used for cutting. Okay, get it, students? Now, what we will do? We will do this work in our copies. First of all, what we will do? We will mention the date and day in the top of the page. What is this Islamic date? It's 23rd of Shaban. 23rd of Shaban. 1442. Okay, 23rd of Shaban, 1442, and the date is 7th April. इसकी टेल्स बनाइएगा 2021. And what the day is? Day is Wednesday. This is your English work. You all have to do it neat and clean. Okay. And classwork. Okay. Exercise. Exercise C. You also page number. I made you to mention the page number also. Page number 81. Okay. Look at. Fine. Now we will write the question. Answer the following questions. Number A. What is the mast of a ship used for? Okay, students, what we have to do, we have to write the uses of it. Okay, the the first word should be capital, alphabet should be capital. The mast mast of a ship is देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने अगर द मास्ट ऑफ अ शिप इज यूज्ड, तो हमने ये बहुत लंबा सेंटेंस हो जाएगा। तो इसकी जगह द मास्ट ऑफ अ शिप वी यूज प्रोनाउन। क्या यूज प्रोनाउन करेंगे? इट। तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? इट लिखेंगे। इट विल बी यूज इन द प्लेस ऑफ द मास्ट ऑफ अ शिप। क्या था? ये प्रोनाउन था और ये नाउन था, द मास्ट ऑफ अ शिप। इसकी जगह हम क्या यूज करेंगे? प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे। क्या लिखेंगे हम? इट इज used for selling ships। ठीक है, राइट स्टूडेंट? Okay, we have done the A1. Now coming to the B. Now, what is a castle? Castle, we read it castle, not castle, okay? It is silent. Used for. Now, what we will use? We will not write a castle is used for. We will use a pronoun it. It, it is it is used for living. Living, living means रहना. Live with ing we will write living. The verb with ing is living. Okay. Now come to the C. What is a fishing boat boat used for? What we will write? We will not write a fishing boat. We will write it is it is used for We will write catching. Catch is the verb. Catching fishes. Okay, students? Catching fishes. What we have done? Answer the following question. Number A, number B, number C. Now come to the next page. First we will write date and day. Wednesday, 23rd of Shaban of Shaban 1442. The date is 7th April 2021. Number D, D point. What is a hammer? Hammer used for. Okay, students, what is the hammer used for? We have already discussed. It is capital, okay? It is used for hammering nails in a wood. Now the last one, then full stop, okay? There should be full stop at the end of the sentence. Now E, what is a knife? What is a knife used for? What we have discussed, knife is used in the kitchen, okay? Knife की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे in the place of now? Knife, it is used for cutting. Okay, students, this work is for today. I hope you have understand the work which I have explained to you. Okay, students, this was the class work. You all have to complete the work neatly and tidily. Okay, tidily. Now I'm giving you some homework. Turn to the next page. I'm giving you word sentences. What you have to do by using pronoun. You know what are pronouns? I have explained you in the class. Pronouns are the words which we use in place of noun, instead of noun, okay? Now, did they mention, please mention the date and day. This is 23rd of Shaban. 1442 and day is Wednesday and you have to mention homework. Okay, and 7th of April. What we have to do for the word sentences? We have to draw a line here. Word sentences. I am giving you some pronouns to use in your sentence. In the last exercise, what you have done? You have underlined the pronoun from the paragraph. Word, and you have to do sentences. Okay? Don't write word, you just write pronouns. Okay? Pronouns will be better. Pronouns. Number one. Number one is I. I is a pronoun which we use for us. यानी जो हमें जाहिर जैसे I am a girl, I am a teacher. That's number two. Number two is space छोड़कर ही लिखना. Number two is he. Okay. Number two is he. Then it's left one line. Then write she. All of you have to do this work. Okay. Then four is they. Number five is it. So students, first of all, I am going to explain I. I will make a sentence of I, then you have to write sentences by your own. He, she, they, it. Okay. I, I will write it for me. I am a teacher. You can write it. I am a boy. Yeah, I am a student of class 1. Or you can write, मैंने कहा this sentence was for me. You can write, I am a student of class 2. Okay. This sentence was for me. I am a teacher. You can write, I am a student of class 2. In the same way, you have to the make sentences of he, she, they, it. He, she, it is a singular pronoun. यानी for a single person you can use जैसे किसी boy के लिए किसी girl के लिए he is used for a boy, she is used for a girl, it is for use for a non-living things or for animals. Okay. They they is a plural pronoun which we use for more than uh, two or more than two things or people, anything else. Okay. So they is a plural pronoun. He, she, it is a singular pronoun. Okay, students, this is your homework. You all have to do this. Okay, you all have to use these pronouns in your sentences. Get it? Okay. I hope you all have understood this class, and I hope you will complete the work with the following instructions: date, time, and the work on the writing on the lines with the correct formation. Okay. Okay. Meet you in the next class. Take care of yourself. Okay. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.